Hi, and welcome back. Today we're going to solve problem 4 in picoCTF2018. We're still solving problems which I would categorize as very easy because we're just searching the internet for answers and online programs are doing the work for us. But there is a purpose with these problems. If you're really competing in a CTF competition, what we are going through now is common knowledge. If you're going through the problems after the competition is over, like now, it isn't just to get the correct answer, but learn something as we move forwards. Last time, problem 3, we converted a hexadecimal to an ASCII. That means that you should actually read up on hexadecimal and ASCII and gain the basic knowledge, because sooner or later these early problems will be implemented in much more difficult problems. Now let's take a look at problem 4. It's a General Warmup 2 for 50 points and goes under the category General Skills. The question is, can you convert the number 27 base 10 to binary base 2? The question tells you already that base 2 is called binary and vice versa, just like in the last problem hexadecimal is base 16 and vice versa, right? Now, it doesn't exactly tell you what base 10 is, but when it just states number 27, you can assume that it is the number system that we use on a daily basis. Let's just confirm that base 10 is what we think it is. So let's type in what is base 10, and if we click in here on what is the base 10 system, we see it's the decimal number system with the digits 0 through 9, and that should sound familiar. And while we're at it, what is base 2? And here, what does base 2 mean in binary? We see it's a numeric system that only uses 2 digits, 0 and 1. And computers operate in binary, meaning they store data and perform calculations using only zeros and ones. So when you write text, the computer is not going to save that as text. I don't know if you remember the original question, but we can repeat it. Can you convert the number 27 base 10, which is the decimal number system, to binary base 2? And we can use Google to find a conversion table for us. Decimal to binary converter. And that brings us to rapid tables again. It has helped us with other problems, so we'll use that, but we'll try other ones later on. The number was 27, and that's for decimal, and we are going to convert it to binary. So the answer we are going to submit is 11011. Let's try that. We have 150 points from before, and the answer is pico CTF in capital letters and our funny brackets, and the answer was 11011, closing bracket, and submit. And that was now solved, and we have 200 points. I can't help myself here, so I'm going to go in on the scoreboard. And let's see where we are here. Here. So now we have 19,409 before us. And we are closing in on the United States government. That should tell you something. Okay, that's it for this time.